In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily scan Telegram QR code. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we need to open up the QR code. I got a QR code in my photos. I have saved it as an image, and the QR code may be leading you to someone's profile or to join to some group. It doesn't matter. All you have to do in order to scan it is just tap at that icon, just like that. Now we can tap at copy all, and that will copy that Telegram username, and then all we have to do is just go to Telegram and then search for that username in that simple way. That's how we can easily find a user or a group to join. Now you know how you can easily scan Telegram QR code.